it's Pocahontas. Thank you for stopping by. So I know you're probably wondering, what are these things on your face? Well, I have freckles, but they're not very visible from far away. But if you get up close, of course, you'll see them. For the video, I wanted to make myself look a little cuter, you know, because I love freckles. My mother has freckles, and she just looks really cute. And so I was trying to darken them a bit to see how it would look if they were more visible. And this is what happened. So what is this video about is your question. I have done this a couple of times and it's worked every single time. About a year ago, I did go to a salon to get my eyebrows tinted, and the lady that did my eyebrows, she was following the pattern of my eyebrows, which are very uneven. One side has less hair than the other side, and so on and so forth, and so it looked like I had one shorter eyebrow than the other one. You know, so this is how it looked, literally. So that didn't look so cute, and I told her, can you fill it in so they both could look even? And then I decided to just start doing it myself because I didn't want to pay $30, $20 to get my eyebrows tinted if I could do them myself. So I don't know if any of you guys ever tried this or ever have heard of it, but I've seen a couple of people do this online. You can find many other videos with young women and older women tinting their eyebrows themselves with men's beard dye. This is the kind of beard dye that I will be using. It is quite good. I get dark brown. There are darker colors if you like your eyebrows to look darker, and it lasts a long time because there's a lot in here. So inside of the package you will get a couple of things. You will get coupons and such inside of the package. I never really used these. You'll also get some gloves, which I won't be using. You'll also of course get the manual of how to use it, and a brush for your supposed beard. But of course we won't be using this brush because this is unrealistically big. With the package you will also find a container to put the dyes in. And last but not least, we will find the 2 items to put together to create the beard dye. So what you will need is a small, fine paintbrush or makeup brush. Wipes, I like using the flushable kind because that's the only kind that I have. Q-tipazoids. You could use this castor oil to make sure that the dye doesn't get on your skin and dye your skin. Let's try this out. All I need is literally a drop from each of the containers. No, oh shoot. Okay, so I kind of squirted it out. So I guess I'll be using that much. Make sure you get an equal amount of the developer and of the color base. Alright, so that's how much I will be using. Just like Bob Ross. If I had a canvas, I would be whacking my brush all over it. It's kind of lacking in hairs. If you remember from my previous video. Please, no. That didn't help. Let's begin, shall we? This is my mirror. Thank you. This was a gift. I appreciate you. Ooh, I kind of look cute right now. Is that just like the camera or the mirror? We're gonna go ahead and set our timer to 20 minutes. That's how long I like leaving them in. Okay, the spacing looks good. The arch is different. That's okay. I'm not mad at that. And we'll start fading after a couple of days. So really you don't have to worry. Time is up. I kept it on a little less than 20 minutes because I realized that that's quite a bit of time.
So we're going to start with this one because this is the first one we put on. Now the first few days, like I said, it's not going to look natural, but you've got to give it a few days to kind of fade out, and then that's when it'll really start looking like they're your real eyebrows.
And wait for this one a little bit longer because it still needs some time to cure, and then we're gonna rub it off. Because we just wiped our eyebrows, so all of the natural oils that are usually in eyebrows are kind of lacking at the moment. So I'm gonna try to fortify it with putting on castor oil. Make sure that's dealt with. So this is what I like to do. Wow. That looks good. I don't know what y'all think, but that looks extremely good. This is the end result. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you guys liked this little eyebrow tutorial. It was really short, I know, but I just thought you guys should know, just in case you are missing a couple of hairs on your eyebrows. This will help you out a lot. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful morning, evening, or night, and I will see you guys soon. These freckles don't look at all natural.